Weather First with meteorologist Marco Lamano.
Another warm start to our day. Temperatures in the upper 70s from Sarasota up to Tampa and down to Fort Myers. We're seeing a lot of 70s and even 80s here. Look at that, 82 Daytona, 81 in Vero Beach, 80 in West Palm, upper 70s even in the Panhandle. 71 though in Jacksonville, not too bad. There's a lot of rainfall to our southeast here. You're noticing moving into South Florida. Not a ton of rainfall affecting us, however, but that's not going to be the case for the whole day. We'll see the showers and storms roll in again, a 50% chance for rain. And as we saw yesterday, boy, you can get a nice, it'll still be humid, but you can get a nice cool down if you get a good downpour. Because if you don't, it'll get to the mid-90s once again. And yesterday, we were 1 degree shy of a record high. It was 94, record's 95, set just 2 years ago. Average is 90, so even though we didn't tie the record, we still were well above the average. And the day before, we broke that record by getting to 99. And that was ridiculous. 79 for the morning low yesterday. That was 4 degrees above the 75-degree average. So expect the afternoon, evening storms to be a thing for the next couple of days. You just have that easterly flow, so it brings in moisture from the east coast, and you get daytime heating and you get the flare-ups. So that's what we're going to see once again. We're also watching this tropical wave right here. Hurricane hunters have actually found tropical storm force winds, but because it doesn't have what's called a closed circulation, it can't be officially considered a tropical storm. But do know it is packing some pretty strong winds here as it moves to the northwest. It's not developing too much at the moment. It's encountering all this land, but as it moves to open waters, then we're expecting some development from this. Models for the next 48 hours are really good, pushing this to the northwest. Unfortunately, days 3, 4, and 5, the models go all over the place. These aren't official forecasts, all right? These are just all the models, so all we can do right now is say that anywhere from Cuba to Central Florida, that's the potential as far as where the system is going. And since we're included in this warrants continued monitoring on our part, but we're not sure if it's going to go north or south of us or get us dead on. And it's too early to tell how much it'll intensify. It'll definitely be able to develop over those warm waters, but it's too early to tell how much. It might be a tropical storm, but again, too early to tell. Watching the tropics early next week. Hot temperatures for the rest of the week.